on, Barbecue Bourbon and Blues family? Welcome back. Alright, we took a little time off from Thanksgiving to the New Year, so we could, because we were so busy the rest of the year. So we wanted to, just hang out, chill with family, did a little traveling of sorts, and, things like that. But we're back for the New Year. So I hope you had a happy New Year. I hope your families are safe and everything went great. Alright, so today we're going to get into some Cajun turkey wings. Now the Super Bowl is coming up. So I'm going to show you how to do these Cajun turkey wings with some white sauce, okay? So we're going to get into that. First thing you want to do is get your wings, clean them up, bring them out here, and I'm just going to dry them off real good, okay? I just want to dry them off good. And I'm going to flip this over. Give them a good dry. When this drying off here, it'll help them crisp up, all right? So I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna show you how to do one, and then you can do the rest, all right? So you're gonna dry it off real good, and you're just gonna come in with a sharp knife, and we're gonna separate the flat from the drum. Just like that. Alright, so you're going to separate your flat from the drum, just like that, and then we're going to season it up, okay? We're going to get into some seasonings. Alright, so for these, we just going to do some Cajun ones, so we're going to show you how to do it just with store-bought stuff, okay? So I'm going to hit it with wrong one. One of my favorite store-bought seasonings. Tony Chachere's, all right? So you're just gonna come in, get you a little oil binder. Get it all over the wing. On all sides. Alright, then I'm going to take my Tony Chachere's, and I'm going to give it a nice little coat of that. And get it all over. Alright, pat that in. Hit the flat. And I gave it a nice little liberal coat of that, okay? Make sure you get it everywhere. And you could use this seasoning that's on the board and get the rest of your things. Alright. Now, what else was I gonna hit it with? Alright, so I'm gonna hit it with a little shake of paprika just to get that nice color on it. Alright, smoked paprika there. And then you're just gonna let it sit and soak in and get all of that moisture. This is gonna be moisture that comes out of here, okay? And that's gonna help you get nice turkey wings on your smoker, okay? So I'm gonna catch back up. I'm gonna do the rest of these. I don't wanna bore y'all with that. I'm gonna knock the rest of these out and I'll get back to you in a sec. Alright, so now that I thought about it, I decided I wanted to zing it up a little bit more, okay? So I'm gonna hit it with some Chipotle chili, some Chipotle chili seasoning. And that's gonna give it a nice little kick, different little flavor profile. then I'm gonna come back with some granulated garlic. All right, just get a nice little even coat on there. Now I leave the flaps on these turkey wings because my brother likes the flaps too, so we left it on there. All right, so we got that on there. Just gonna give him a pat. Let that sit here and do its thing, and then I'll be back to you down at the smoker. Okay? Catch you in a second. All right, we're back, y'all. Now, listen. Guess who showed up just in the nick of time to drink something?
That's right. It is shot 30.
But I thought you
about
was
12. Yeah, it's about.
You
12.
know how on the New Year they always say "New Year, new me." What happened to you?
So I'm still
the same old you.
I like myself as I am.
Oh, okay. So he's still gonna be running late every week. All right, what you got for us, man? What we drinking?
All right, man. We're gonna do a bottle kill today. You know, we've already had this Evans Williams 1783 before.
Yeah.
You know, it's priced to move. It's very priced to move. I think it's price point is probably about the high. What, about $20? $20, around about $20.
Yeah.
It's a good little cheap bourbon. You know, even just to sip on when you're kind of in a rush, or you know you don't want to break out your good stuff. You know what I mean? For those, it's probably gonna be mixing it with Coke and stuff like that. Anyway, grab this. All right, to the nose, you're gonna get caramel apple, some roasted nuts. That's his favorite.
Ain't my favorite. That's his favorite.
Candied apple, stewed apples, as they say. All right, to the palate, you're gonna get the same thing. You're gonna get some caramel, some cocoa nuts. Cocoa notes.
See, he like them nuts. I'm telling you.
Cocoa notes. All right. A little peanut butter brittle note. Also copper. Now I don't know what copper tastes like because I don't sit around sucking on pennies or nothing. You know, maybe you know what copper tastes like.
I don't know what it tastes like.
But other than that, man, let's get into it. Start knocking this bottle down and get into these playoff games that are the playoff game scenarios that's gonna be started.
Number one seed.
All right. And while we're gonna take a little sip of this while we wait for these Cajun turkey wings to get done.
Yes, sir. Now, is your other favorite taste in here leather? Because you know they made you read them Nikes back in the day.
I don't know nothing about that. All right.
Cheers, guys. Happy New Year to y'all.
Same as usual.
Yeah, this one hit a little hard today, though. When you've been drinking that good stuff, and you come over here fooling with him, and he very got this rock good.
No, man, this what you bought.
I didn't buy that. No.
Oh, the producer must be, he's slipping on us.
No, this is a little bit different than a regular Evan Williams. This is a small batch.
This is a small batch of 90 proof.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That ain't the regular. All right, though. Hey, so you see us doing a bottle kill today.
Price to move.
1783, Evans Williams. We catch y'all down at the smoke in a few minutes. Cheers.
Didn't you put some extra seasonings on the
wing? I'm sorry about that.
The word about that whiskey.
Yeah. So I decided to kick up the flavor profiles a little bit. So I added what I do? I added me some Chipotle chili pepper, and some granulated garlic on top of the Tony Chachere's to kind of kick that flavor profile up a little bit. All right, because your Tony Chachere's is not real salty, you know, so we're going to put some different flavor profiles. I wanted to add that, and we're going to see what we have here. And it's sitting there, it's all coming together real nice right now. All right, so we'll catch y'all down at the smoker in a few minutes. Whew. Yeah, buddy. All right, so I'm down here at the smoker. I'm running my Oklahoma Joe drum today. I got this thing fired up with Kingsford charcoal and wood chunks, some hickory wood chunks. We're gonna run it about 300 degrees, all right? Take a man to do that, boy. You see that?
Go ahead. Lay your hand on it for a while.
Oh, ain't that crazy? All right, so we just gonna get these on here and then let them do what they do.
And they shot it look like it's a wing shot. It was one of the flaps.
Yeah, I told y'all he liked them.
4 drumettes and 3 flaps.
He liked them flaps. He liked the flaps. All right, so like I said, we got these on. We're gonna run it at 300 today, roughly for about hour and a half until it comes up to 165, and then they'll be ready to come off. But now we're gonna get back up to the table and we're gonna get into this white sauce that I'm making for these Cajun turkey wings. All right, catch you in a second. All right, so we're back. Now we're gonna do this Alabama white sauce for our turkey wings, okay?
Word brother style.
That's right. So like I said, we trying some different stuff, and this is it, all right? We're gonna start with 2 cups of mayo, all right? Get your favorite mayo. I usually use Duke's, but today, this is what was in the house. So this is what we got, the JFG mayo. What JFG stand for, Skip?
Probably your producer didn't want to get to spend the extra $1 for the Duke. What
JFG stand for just for giggles.
You shouldn't have sent me to the store.
He didn't want to spend the extra $1. That wasn't fair.
Extra couple of $3. You know it. Everything gets went up.
All right, so I'm gonna take the fresh juice from 1 lemon. Get that in there. All right, I'm gonna take my Worcestershire sauce. Did I say that right this time?
I think you did.
1 teaspoon. Get that right in there. All right, then I'm gonna hit it with the prepared horseradish. All right, now this prepared horseradish, you want to get 2 tablespoons in there. All right.
You wanted to kick it up a notch, you might want to put in 2 tablespoons and a half.
If you really want to kick it up a notch, you could get that nasal napalm horseradish from Pepper Palace.
I got some in there.
Woo, you should have let me know.
Now, it's plenty of cayenne out here.
Yeah, I got some. Don't worry about it. We're going to use this black pepper here. It's a tablespoon. Tablespoon of garlic.
All right.
And like I said, since we're kicking it up, a nice heaping teaspoon of cayenne, because I like mine a little spicy. All right, so, and last but not least, a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. And once you get that in there, see what that look like to start with?
Get your whip game going.
You got to get your whip game going. So get you a whisk and just start whipping it. This one we need that Migos playing. But due to the rules of YouTube, can't do it. All right, so I'm just gonna whip this into a smooth consistency. It smells pretty good too, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
All you just gonna do is stand there and drink, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. And check the scores. Check the scores of the game.
All right, so I'm not gonna bore y'all while I'm whipping this to a smooth consistency. We'll get back to you in a minute, all right? Show you what it looks like. All right, so we back, all right? We did our Cajun turkey wings today. You saw how I seasoned them up. I'm gonna make sure I put the recipe down in the description of the video, as usual. We took our turkey wings, we dried them off real good.
Dry.
Yep.
Season them up.
Yep, hit it with an olive oil binder, season it up. You know, let it sit, for about 20 minutes. Get them on the smoker. Let that smoker run at 300 until they come up to 165. Get them off, let them rest, and then voila, here you have it. All right. You saw how we did the white sauce. So now we're going to get into a little tasting, all right?
All right.
So I'm just going to grab this one. You said you want the flap.
No, I ain't like the flap. Like, I want some meat, too.
You told me you wanted the flap.
You just break it. There you go. I knew he was going to do that.
All right. Hit it with your white sauce, bro. I'm just
hit the skin.
I'm just gonna drizzle mine like that on there. He gonna dip his. Here we go.
You should have just broke it with your finger.
I should have, but I cooked them.
It's good. It got really spicy. Nice little spice on it.
Hey, that white sauce set these off too. So you go make your Cajun turkey, make you some Cajun turkey wings for the Superbowl. Whip up this white sauce, or you could whip up one of the other sauces that we got on our channel. All right. Mm-hmm. So you can hook up one of those, pair it with these, and you got a hit. All right. And then in a few days, we probably we went and visited. Our parents went and visited some new family we have over in Lagos, Nigeria. We got some seasonings and stuff from over there. All right. And we're going to make that shake. We're going to do something with that. We might use it in a competition. Hit us up. Let us know if we should use those flavor profiles in a competition. All right?
All right.
All right. So make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel. Matter of fact, comment and let us know should we use those Nigeria flavor try the Nigeria profile in the competitions. And we'll get back to y'all soon. We love y'all. We see you out there. Have a good day.
God bless and good night.
God bless and good night. Turkey wings. Cajun.